Hey, what's up guys? Jesus here. I was going to do a short video vlog with my Fushigi ball that I got for Christmas a year or so ago. And I was just, practicing because, I don't fucking do it every day like I should. So I'm a little rusty on it. And I dropped the fucking thing and I broke a glass. So I decided not to do it out here in the garage where my girlfriend's brother's fucking Camaro is, in case I fucking lose control of it and it breaks the window or some shit. So maybe once I get a padded room of my own to practice it, and once I get that shit done, I can do a couple of showing off a Fushigi ball video. That'd be cool. But I decided instead on doing something that requires a little less movement and something that weighs quite a lot less. Rubik's Cube. Now, I'm sure quite a few of you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I mean, if you buy a Rubik's Cube at a store, like a Meijer or fucking any store, toy store somewhere that has a Rubik's Cube, you get it in the big, bulky plastic packaging. It has a little booklet that comes with it. That booklet tells you how to solve the fucking thing. So the mystery of how to solve the Rubik's Cube is a big fucking lie. There's no mystery. It tells you right in the book how. And I figured I'd fucking just solve a Rubik's Cube that I just randomly mixed up here while I'm out here talking. See, I don't know. It's really not staged at all. I have no idea the way that I'm mixing it up right now. I'm just randomly fucking mixing it up. And I came out to the garage here to have a cigarette, and so I figured I'd see if I could solve this Rubik's Cube. It usually takes me about 5 minutes to smoke a cigarette, so I'll see if I can finish this Rubik's Cube, solve it from completely mixed up, while I'm smoking this cigarette. While you guys watch, if you haven't clicked off yet. If you haven't, I fucking love you. So starting now then, I guess, we're gonna want to do the top layer first. Okay, and now that the top layer is solved, we're going to want to work on the middle layer. If you're looking for a step-by-step how to solve a Rubik's Cube, this is not the video that you want to watch. This is just me seeing if I can solve this fucking thing before I finish this cigarette that I'm actively smoking. Making pretty decent progress so far. Where? Okay. I was lost for a second. Alright, so we got the second layer done. And now... Oh man, things are mixed up. Hold on a sec. I don't know if I'll be able to finish this. Oh man. I actually think I might have fucked it up. Not that badly, though. Okay, so green, orange. No, I actually got it perfectly. This is exactly where I need it to be. And now we've got all 4 of the corners done. Now we just gotta get the other 4 pieces in place. What a mess. We're getting there. Still not done with the cigarette. But I am done with the Rubik's Cube. I am just about done with the cigarette, though. Sorry, the ashtray's down there. I had to put it out. But yeah, it took me just about the time it takes to smoke a cigarette to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's really not that tough if you have the little booklet. Because, I mean, it's really just a series of... I realize I'm, like, out of frame. It's really just a series of sequences that the booklet just explains to you. And once you have those down, it's not that big of a problem. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Leave your thoughts down in the comments section, like, favorite if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.